I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. If I quit calling you my lover, move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, just like a moth drawn to a flame. Oh, you lured me in, I couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter heart cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I sow. I'm left seeing red on my own. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. If I quit calling you my lover, move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Get you out of my head. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. Without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches.
Let's learn stitches. It's choreographed by Amy Glass. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with one restart on wall 9 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where our restart happens, and then we're going to go around and dance 10 walls of the dance so that you know where that restart happens and how the dance flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn stitches. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step back with our right foot, and you're going to kick your left foot low and forward. Step back with your left and kick your right foot low and forward. We're now going to take our right foot, we're going to rock it back towards 6 o'clock, recover forward onto your left foot. We're now going to take our right toe, we're going to touch it next to our left, but as you touch it, you want your knee and your toe to be turned to the left. We're now going to take our right heel and we're going to tap it into the right forward diagonal, and your knee and your toe should be turned slightly towards the right. So let's try it with some counts. We're stepping back with our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our right over our left and point our left toe to the left side. You're now going to touch your left toe across your right, in towards the right diagonal, and you're going to step your left foot to the left side and you're going to hold. We're now going to do a ball step by quickly stepping our right next to our left and stepping our left foot to the side. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left and recover back onto your left foot, remaining at 12 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We ended with our weight on our left foot and our heel out. We're crossing our right over our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. You're going to scuff your left heel on the floor, and we're going to step forward with our left foot, and you're going to make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now at 9 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our left, and we're going to sweep our right from back to front. We're going to step forward with our right and sweep our left from back to front. This sweep will put you into section 4. Let's try that with some counts. We're facing 12 o'clock. We just did our cross rock recover, weights on your left foot. You're doing that quarter turn over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're ending your section 3 with a sweep, so your left foot is free. Section 4, we're going to cross our left foot over our right. We're going to step back with our right and step back with your left. We're now going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left foot and step your right foot to the right side. So now your feet should be about shoulder width apart. We're going to do a swivel to end section 4. You're going to come up on the ball of your left toe and you're going to come up on your right heel. When you do that, your left heel is going to swivel to the left and your right toe is going to come to the right. When you're looking at your feet, it's going to look like both toes are pointed towards the right and both heels are pointed towards the left. So you're coming up on the ball of your left foot and the heel of your right, and you're going to swivel everything towards the right. So you're coming over here, heels to the left, toes to the right, recover back onto your left foot to start the dance all over again. So I'm going to turn to the front and we're going to break that down a little bit extra so that you can see what my feet are doing. So your shoulder width apart right now, we step together, your split weight. This heel is going to have the weight on it. This toe is going to have the weight on it. So your right heel, left toe. When you do it, you're coming up and then you're twisting everything towards the right, but your heels are pointed towards the left, toes to the right. You're going to recover back. So you can really turn your whole body slightly to the right and then bring it back towards the left to face the wall to start the dance all over again. When you settle on that swivel, you want your weight on your left foot because we're stepping back with our right and kicking our left. So let's try that part with some counts. We just swept our left from back to front. We're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you see, I twisted my body to the right as my toes went to the right and my heels went to the left. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts before we talk about our restart. Weights on your left foot, you're stepping back with your right. Back, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, cross, point, touch across, side, hold, ball side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, scuff, step, half pivot, step, sweep, cross, back, cross, back, together, swivel, recover. Weights on your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're stepping back with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart is going to happen on wall 9, which is our 12 o'clock facing wall. It will be the third time we dance the front wall. What we're going to do is you're going to dance 16 counts, which puts you up to your cross rock, recover, and then you're going to restart the dance by stepping back and kicking. So let's practice it. Your weight's on your left foot. You're going to step back with the right. Back, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, cross, point, touch across, side, hold, ball, side, cross, rock, recover. Now instead of making our quarter turn, we're going to step back with our right and kick our left. Back, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, and you will start the dance all over again. It happens that one time and that one time only. After that, you just dance the rest of the dance through, and you're going to be able to hear it coming because that entire 16 counts is instrumental. So there's no lyrics, nobody's singing, it's just music. So you'll be able to hear it coming for that full 16 counts. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 10 walls so that you can practice the transition into that restart and the dance. Weights on your left foot, we're starting by our step back with the right. Step back, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, cross, point, touch across, side, hold, ball, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, step, half pivot, step, sweep, cross, cross, back, side, swivel, head back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, cross, point, touch across, side, hold, ball, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter scuff, step, half pivot, step, sweep, cross, back, together, swivel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, cross, point, touch, side, hold, ball, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter stuff, step, half pivot, step, sweep, cross, back, together, swivel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, cross, point, touch across, side, hold, ball, step, cross, rock, recover, quarter scuff, step, half pivot, step, sweeps, cross, back, side, swivel, back kick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 counts. Back, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, cross, point, touch, side, hold, ball, side, cross, rock, restart, back, kick, rock back, recover, toe, heel, cross, point, touch across, side, hold, ball, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter scuff, step, half pivot, step, sweep, cross, back, together, swivel, and then you'll just keep dancing the rest of the dance through. The dance ends with your swivel. When I do it, I like to do my swivel, and as I'm recovering, I make like my quarter turn to face the front, but you can just end the dance facing the side wall if you would like to. I hope this helps you learn stitches. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.